location. So bisag asa pa rin silang lupa or tuyok, mabalik na ginaasa sila tikan. So that's it, our homing pigeons and raptors. Now I'm gonna show you one unique bird. They like to jump perch to perch, showing you their chasing skills to one another. These birds are omnivores, that small snake. I mean, they eat fruit, insects, and meat. Locally known as Kalaw or the Black of the Mountain. So guys, I will demonstrating you to catch the fruit. So first, second. So guys, ready your camera and let's count to 1, 2, 3. Guys, ready your camera to play slow and let's count 1, 2, 3. So guys, ready na mo? So 1, 2, 3, go! So there you go, our Philippine Rufus Rubin named Rufus.
Wala ka catch.